We are starting another video. In it, we will share a foolproof workout routine showing everyone how to go from 0 to easily performing 10 pull-ups. Stay tuned. Fit 360 is committed to your success. That's why we've created a complete spreadsheet exclusively for you, which you'll find at the end of the video. And if you feel that this can help others, don't hesitate to share it. Resist the temptation to skip ahead to the conclusion. The journey we have in store is crucial for you to understand the reasons and scientific foundations behind each step. Mastering pull-ups is much more than a simple physical achievement. It's a journey that involves purpose, strategy, and determination. The next 4 pillars are simply unmissable. Ready for what's coming? Let's go. Pillar number 1, train regularly. It may seem obvious, but this is where most people go wrong. Consistent practice is essential to improve your strength and endurance in the right muscles to reach the top of the bar. This exercise should be incorporated into your training routine at least 3 times a week. It's that simple. Pillar number 2, gradual progression. Starting with simpler variations, something that allows you to gain abilities and thus achieve your goal. This is something we will provide for you in an instant with our spreadsheet. But a simple example is to use the graviton or a resistance band. The third pillar is intensity increase. As you become more comfortable with the exercise, the degree of intensity will be added, such as extra weight or increased repetitions. And finally, strengthening auxiliary muscles. In addition to training the exercise in isolation, it's equally important to strengthen the muscles in your back, shoulders, arms, and core. Are you enjoying what you've seen so far? Stay with us to see more, including the step-by-step guide. We are looking to expand our audience and reach 1,000 subscribers so that more individuals can benefit from this content. Don't waste time. Subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Thank you. With the 4 pillars in mind, we will show you step by step how to reach the top of the bar. Do you want to know how? Let's go. Step 1. Exploring the isometric phase. In the first stage of this training program, we address the isometric phase of muscle contraction. Do you know what it's about? The isometric phase is a crucial element for the development of strength and endurance. This approach aims to enhance the muscle's ability to maintain a static contraction in a challenging posture, in this case, with the chin above the bar. Start with 5 to 10 seconds of holding. As the weeks go by, it is recommended to gradually increase by 5 to 10 seconds in each session until reaching a notable period of 20 to 30 seconds. Step 2. Descending with control. This stage brings the eccentric phase, also known as the negative. Do you know what that is? We'll explain it in a moment. You position yourself with the chin above the bar and focus on the controlled descent from the top position. Start with 5 to 10 seconds and gradually increase by 7 to 10 seconds in each session. This technique is done with a supinated grip, meaning with your palms facing up. This way, you aim to strengthen the muscles involved in slowing down the movement, contributing to a more effective and safe eccentric phase. Step 3. Exploring different grips. In the third step, we explore the complexity of the movement by incorporating different grips, such as supinated, neutral, pronated, and mixed grips. Here, we continue to focus on the controlled descent, but add pauses throughout the movement. This added difficulty requires greater neuromotor coordination. With this multi-grip approach, you strengthen more muscles, preparing your body to handle possible variations of the exercise. Step 4. Cluster method. In the fourth and final step, we are about to achieve our goal of performing 10 pull-ups. Here, we will use an advanced training method known as the cluster method. This method involves performing repetitions with short breaks between them. For example, you can perform 3 to 5 repetitions, rest for 20 seconds, and repeat until reaching a total of 20 repetitions. This allows for partial recovery between repetitions, allowing you to perform more repetitions than you would in a single set. The cluster method is an effective approach to increase training volume and improve muscle strength. Tell us in the comments in which of the steps you find yourself. But wait, don't miss our training spreadsheet. Take a screenshot, keep it handy, and share it with others who are also aiming for the same results. By applying our training spreadsheet to your workout routines, you will certainly achieve your goal of performing 10 consecutive pull-ups. Every step in this plan has been carefully designed to lead to your success, ensuring consistent and safe progress. Did you like our video? Write in the comments what you think of our spreadsheet. We hope that our approach, the 4 pillars plus the step-by-step guide and spreadsheet have inspired you to make a change. We aim to increase our influence by reaching 1,000 subscribers so that a larger number of people can enjoy this content. Subscribe to our channel and continue with us on the journey to incredible results. See you in the next video.